Hi, this is Mrs. Kidman, and in this video, we are going to be discussing how we can navigate our Canvas page so that we can find things that we might have missed in case we were gone for a day. So what you're first going to do is we want to go to the school website, so ccsdut.org, the school district website. And as a student, what you are going to do is, once this loads here, we can look. But what we're going to do is we are going to want to scroll here and we're going to click on this Canvas icon. So as you click on this Canvas icon, what's going to happen is it should pull up this page right here that looks like this. And then once you get to this page, we are going to want to log. Okay, so what you're going to do to log in is remember it's going to be your school username and password that you use. So your 8 letters, things like that. So you're going to log in. It should have a list of all of your classes here. We can either go to your class. You're going to select your math class. I'm going to use Math 2 for the sake of this, but again, any math class will work. They're all going to be set up the same way. Now I'm going to go to Student View so it will look like what your homepage looks like here. So as you log onto this page, it should look like this, where it says, "Welcome to class. This is what we're covering. If you need help with something, here's some pages for help." What you're going to do if you miss a day is I want you to scroll and I want you to go to course modules. So you can either access it right here or you can access it over here. Go ahead and click on the course modules. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to look right underneath this first tab here called This Week. So it might pull up automatically for you. So underneath this week, what you're going to do is you're going to find the days that you're missing. So say I went on an extended vacation for fall break, which was last week. I would click on the fall break week. And so as I click on it, what's going to happen is it's going to pull up the week and each day what we did with the lesson and the associated assignment. And what happens is if I was gone Monday and I'm like, I wonder what we did last Monday, what I can do is I can say Monday, we talked about graphing in standard form. So then what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to click on that link there. So it's linked automatically right there. And what's going to happen is it'll take me to this page where it says graphing quadratics in standard form. And you can see that there are videos that discuss how I can graph quadratics in standard form. Notice each of the videos are not too long. They're going to range somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes, just depending on the topic. None of them will be longer than like 10 minutes. Maybe you might see one at 15, but no longer than 15. So I'm going to watch all these videos. I'm going to take notes like I usually do. When I finish, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to access the assignment. So as I click here to access the assignment, it should redirect me to this page. So they will have a due date here. If they have a due date, this one needs to be updated. But what it's going to say is if it's in a book, it'll have a book. If it's a worksheet, it'll have a link to the worksheet right here, and you can click on that. So here's our book assignment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my book assignment. When I finish my book assignment, the way that I submit it is on this page, I click this Submit Assignment button. And as I submit this assignment, notice how it gives me this option for a file upload. So what I'll do is I will click Choose My File. And then after I take a picture here, so you can kind of see, you're going to take your assignment, take a picture of your assignment using your phone or a scanning app, and then we're going to upload your screenshot to Canvas. So what we do is we take a picture wherever it's saved on our computer. We would click on it and be like, yes, this is what I want to upload here. Click open, it'll attach that, and then I just click this submit assignment button and I can grade it, and then it'll get graded that way. So that's how I want to submit my assignments if I'm gone. If I ever need to go back, I can always click this home page and it'll take me right back. If I haven't submitted something, it will ask you, do you want to leave before you submit? So make sure that you submit any assignments that you want to before you leave the page. So that is kind of how you would navigate it. If you want to then look at the next day, go back to your course modules, click on that same week, and you can go through the process again. If for some reason you've already watched the videos and you just need to find the assignment is also linked off to the side. Make sure that you do watch the videos before completing an assignment. It'll make the assignment a lot easier and it'll help you learn what to do there. So that is kind of how you would navigate that Canvas homepage. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But again, if you miss class, go to course modules. Underneath the lesson called This Week, find the week that we're in or whatever day you missed, and then click on the associated lesson that's there. If it's a break, we obviously won't have a lesson. If it's the day of a test, so let's look at the next one here. Oh, we're going to go the other way. Sorry. So right here, you can see that we had our Chapter 2 test review and then our Chapter 2 test that week. So our Chapter 2 test, Notice how it doesn't have anything linked there. That's because we don't have any information that we covered that day. So again, everything's going to be linked there. That is how you will watch the videos, find what you need, so that you can make sure that you're staying caught up on class, whether you're at home quarantined or you happen to miss a day for a fun trip, for a sporting event, or whatever other reason. But that is kind of how you navigate our Canvas page to make sure that you can stay caught up on days that you miss.